You know what to do right now. Yeah, show me some more of that. What you came here to do? Yeah, you gotta tell me. Ladies, boys, what you came here to do?